Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen of the press and all Fijians joining us online today. This press conference is about the upcoming meeting of the Great Council of Chiefs, scheduled to take place on the 28th and 29th February at the Lagoon Resort in Pacific Harbour. As many of you are aware, the Great Council of Chiefs was reinstated in November 2023 under the iTaukei Affairs Act. This meeting marks the first gathering of the GCC since its reinstatement, and it begins a new chapter in our collective journey. In reinstatement of the GCC is a testament to our government commitment under the able leadership of the Honourable Prime Minister. Our national resilience, our dedication to unity in diversity, and our collective visions for our future, where our traditional and progress walk hand in hand. It is a step toward ensuring that the voice of the iTaukei are heard and respected in the national dialogue. In preparations for this meeting, the GCC regulations have been issued. These regulations detail the selection process and criteria for the members of the GCC, ensuring transparency and fairness. It is designed not only to uphold the integrity of the GCC and to foster unity and collaborations among our chiefs and people. We have received nominations from the provinces. After going through the internal process, the names have been submitted to His Excellency, the President, for the appointment as required under Section 3.1 of the iTaukei Affairs Act. The reinstatement of the GCC was accompanied by some major amendments to the iTaukei Trust Fund Act. The amendment restored the original objective of the trust fund, which is to ensure the financial autonomy of the GCC. I am pleased to announce that the iTaukei Trust Fund will fund the 2 days meeting. I also want to emphasize that no taxpayers' money will be used for this event. A pivotal moment of the meeting will be the election of new chairman, a vice chairman by the members of the GCC. This leader will uphold office for 3 years, steering the council through its renewed mandate with wisdom, foresight, and a deep commitment to the welfare of the iTaukei people. As we prepare for this significant event, I invite all Fijians to join us in reflecting on the importance of the GCC, its role in our society, and the way in which we can all contribute to a more united, prosperous, and culturally rich Fiji. I would look forward to a fruitful discussion and outcome that will emerge from the GCC meeting, and I'm confident that together we will continue to build a legacy that future generations will look back on with pride. Thank you, and vinagavaliu. Vinagavaliu, ubia varai takachunga vi kenda na leo ibiti, va ninda klan, ninda vava rauchiko kina bosilevu va turanga sa chungoi matanda. Ena vai dori chiko na ka rosanga bulu kawal ko na ka rosanga bulu kadiwa ni bulango ena Lagoon Resort mai Pacificaba. Vai nda klan ya sa Vondoniochi na Palimendi ena Bagsaochi na kena sa mai Vanda Beritalia na bosilevu va turanga. Gosa matai ni bose, mera na bose kina na nonda turang bale, kena marambale, kana warai takina na tos vou, membaleta na nonda kena daurongodi na veikai mbalete kenda na iTaukei. Ena ngauna e vina kachkina, mena kaudake, kina Palimendi, sei cabinet, mera tau dau reida, kara tau ano nova, mera tau dau reida na vei kai bimbi vei kenda, ni berni kautadake na tambadaga iTaukei, kina matentu. Ngondo na tuwa levu e nana makina na matentu, ena kena kaulis mai, na bosi levu wa turang, kanta bawa binabinaka na vei liutaki na turang na Prime Minister, sa mai vaidori rau kina na Bagsaochi, santa mai reida ngo, na matini kena vandambiri, na bosi levu wa turang. O klava usada butaochi, kena ina ki levu nga, me rau nindau rongodi na vei kaenda na numa na iTaukei, ni ber nindau gaindau watu lewa kina na matentu. Sa mai Vondoni telanga na vei kai mbaleta na regulation na kena didibagi na bose, ena madau sa ochi, sa iko na kena regulation ena didibagi chukina nonda bose, ena singarua sa chiko sanggoe matanda. Saya do talanga mai na edandra na turang bale na marambale wa tutaki mai na biasana sa mai varaida na tambadaga iTaukei kasambita dake buana turang na presidenti ena lawa tu me dondonu me nanding taka me lei vandei taka na presidenti na edandra era leo ni bosi levu wa turang. O bina talanga me varetaka ena buku ni lawa sa mai visau me bleta na bosi levu wa turanga e visau talanga na veka e vengaravikina na Taukei Trust Fund ka dawa kena ngarava na kena vai lavotaka na bosi levu wa turanga. Ubina talanga me varetaka ke ni Taukei Trust Fund ena vai lavotaka na rua na singini bosi sa chungoi matanda kana senga ni dua na ilavo ni matentu ena vai ngataki ena kena didibaki na bosi ngo na bosi levu turang kanda nangarawa juga na rona sing sa chungoi matanda. Ena ding tali chunga na o koe mena chairman taka na bosi levu turanga kei koe na vice chairman karena vei dingi chunga kina na leo ni bosi levu turanga. O klai ngandre ba levu nonda dua wata na leo ibiti ena nonda sulia chuko nonda ba nu binaka. Nina rambos na nonda turanga ke nonda marambale ena rona singa chungoi matanda ena dua chunga na toso subo kanta sa anta toso enikina mera na bosi kataka na vika membali chikianda na iTaukei ena vi singa ni mataka pambimbiu oira nonda kawa ka da sandu batakina menda vi mosulaki ena nonda nanum ira na nonda turanga ke na marama ena bosi levu singarua sa chiko sanggoe matanda. Vinagavaliu.